Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to stake crypto on Kraken Pro. So to get started with this method, so the first thing to do is to open your Kraken Pro app on your mobile, then log into your Kraken Pro account, then from there go to Hen, then from there tap on portfolio at the bottom, then tap on Hen to see staking option. Then from there, you have to choose cryptos to stake. So pick the coin you want to stake. For example, you can stake ETH, which is Ethereum. You can also pick Solana, or you can also use DOT. It depends on the kind of coin you want to stake, crypto you want to stake. From there, enter the amount to stake. So type in how much you want to stake from your coin, then choose the flexible or bonded stake if available in your option list. And from there, confirm the staking, review all the important selection, then tap on stake and confirm. And that's how to stake cryptos on Kraken Pro. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.